our channel Mitrayu. Stay home, stay safe. As we all know, a pandemic situation, COVID-19, lockdown, so and so. So we can't shoot so many outdoor videos. Within our limitations, today I'm gonna share something very interesting and special one. I don't know whether it is special or interesting, but yeah, let's move. Before going to the video, don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Okay, let's come. This is my garden, not my Abba's. He is the one who cares this. With his help, I find out some medicinal plants. So I'm going to introduce some medicinal plants and their uses, which party is going to use, so and so. So let's move to the video.
We'll see our first plant. Our first plant is Kirita. In Sanskrit, it's called Poonimba. In Malayalam, it's called Nilavepar. The part used is leaf, root, stem. Its uses: first, useful in bleeding disorders such as heavy periods and nasal bleeding, useful in inflammatory conditions, useful in easy bowel movements, useful in chronic and recurrent fever, skin diseases, useful in urinary tract disorder, diabetes. Our next plant is sweet broom. In Sanskrit, it's called Ashmatni. In Malayalam, it's called Kalluriki. Kallu means stone and Uriki means melter. That is stone melter. Parts used: leaf, root and stem. Its uses: in Kerala, it is used for treating of kidney stone. Also used for treating of inflammation, fever, wounds, ulcer and skin diseases. It increases the activity of plasma insulin. The next plant is Indian nettle. In Sanskrit, it's called Harita Manjari. In Malayalam, it's called Kuppameni. The parts used are leaf, root and flower. Uses: it mainly used for ulcer, cough, skin diseases, arthritis and constipation. It commonly used in the form of powder or decoction mixed with garlic. The powder of the dry leaves is used in bed sore. Next, indigo. Sanskrit name of indigo is Neelika and its Malayalam name is Neelamari. The part used is leaf, root and stem. Its uses: the foremost use of Neelamari is for hairs. Paste of leaves is applied on hair 20 minutes before bath, will help to promote hair growth. Leaf paste is applied externally to heal wounds quickly. Also, it is useful in the case of insect bites, skin disorders with itching also. It is also used in treating scorpion bite. Effect on respiratory system to cure cough, cold, bronchitis, rhinitis and asthma. Next is nutgrass. As commonly all think that it is a weed, but it's not. In Sanskrit, it's called Musta. In Malayalam, it's called Muttanga. The part used are leaf, root, stem. Let's see its indications. Fine powder of Musta with honey is used for cure abdominal gurgling and tastelessness. Decoction with ginger powder is used to cure gastritis. Fine powder or paste of Musta with papaya seed in worm infestation, especially in pinworm infestation, is used. Nutgrass powder with buttermilk for treating IBS. It will help to treat irritable bowel syndrome. Next, long pepper. In Sanskrit, it is called Pippali. In Malayalam, it's called Tippali. The part used are root and its fruits. Let's see its indication. It is used in thick sputum, sinusitis, asthma. It breaks down kapha dosha. It useful in worm infestation and infected wounds also. It relieves gas, fullness of abdomen and bloating, etc. It is also used in splenomegalia and ascites. It is used in abdominal tumors also.
Thank you everyone for watching my video. This is not the end of the session. It will be continued. Bye bye.